They had elaborate plans to redevelop and reimagine the 8th floor here at their iconic hotel. If you walk outside the hotel here, you'll notice you're in the middle of Times Square. There's thousands of people walking the streets, gazing up at outdoor direct view LEDs, mesmerized by what they see. And so they wanted to bring a little bit of that experience inside the walls here at their hotel. Collaboration is vital for these complex direct view LED installations. From the very beginning, LG Fulfillment, Turner & Townsend, the management of those hotels, and host hotels and resorts had to meet regularly from the early planning stages all the way to the completion of the project. Every installation that LG does for direct view LED is unique. Every end user that we work with has a different use case and specific space to put the product. Here at the Marquis, they selected our LSCB series at 1.8mm pitch, which is perfect for the viewing distance of their spectators. They ultimately selected two very large 50-foot wide by 8-foot tall displays mounted high above their guests on the 8th floor here. They selected direct view LED very early in the process because of its bezel-less design versus the traditional LCD monitor video wall.